I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an ESIM on your Samsung device with Freedom Mobile can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your Samsung device supports ESIM functionality. Most recent models do, but it's good to double check. Step 2. Get your ESIM QR code. Contact Freedom Mobile to request your ESIM QR code. You can usually find this in your account settings or by visiting a store. Step 3. Access mobile network settings. On your Samsung device, go to Settings, then select Connections and tab on Mobile Networks. Step 4. Add mobile plan. In the Mobile Networks section, select Add Mobile Plan and then choose Scan QR Code. Point your camera at the QR code you received from Freedom Mobile. Quick gotcha: if your camera doesn't scan the QR code properly, ensure you're in a well-lit area and the code is clearly visible. Step 5. Activate your ESIM. Once the QR code is scanned, follow the prompts to complete the activation. You may need to restart your device for the changes to take effect. I hope this helps you get your ESIM set up smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.